Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the SheModern Old Meets New Instagram collaboration. Our theme, 420, don't come for me. I started with Painted Desert Medium Square Natural Gel Tips and I put IMK's Bio Base on there. It's a sticky base. And here's Pirouette by Square Hue. That's an oldie, you guys. This one's real old in my collection. So why I'm saying don't come for me is I'm not trying to make no political statement or statement at all. I just got invited to do a collab and I joined because I like doing nail art and I love doing collabs. So I will have hashtags, links, and all that good stuff down below if you'd like to go check out the other manicures. And here we go with our second coat of Pirouette. I'm going to top it with I&Ms out the door. I'm going to get this one to dry down so we can do some stamping and sprinkling with some hollow dust. It's going to be fun. So I'll be using Manitude Mary Jane plate and the SheModern Stamper, SheModern Pearl Green Sticky Stamping Polish. And then we'll be using some SheModern powders here in just a little bit. Got my Maniology scraper out. And we're just going to pick a cup, well, 4 or 5 images and yeah, I think we're doing 5. I'm only going to have a picture of 4, but I do all 5. You kind of have to have that claw look to be able to get that 5 into a picture frame, and I just never been good at it. So here we go with our first image. It's stamped really well. This plate's really etched nicely, and using the SheModern sticky stamping polishes, man, they're awesome because they let you work a little slower. Wish I'd have had these back in the day when I first got into stamping. Because I like to do this cleanup with the tape. Get a little cleanup done. Make sure I'm not getting anything on my nail that I don't want. And, you know, it's all good stuff. Good stuff. Alright, so we got 2 stamps. Now we're going to do a 3rd stamp. I'm going to have to be careful scraping this one because it's got all that open space. There we go. I think I did it. I didn't gouge it. It's very easy to do on those open spaced images like that. So here we go with another one over in the corner. And I just really, really had fun with this one. I like playing with the SheModern sticky stamping polishes and I'm going to use the green hollow dust here on them in just a moment, or glitter dust. I don't know what you want to call it. Maybe it'll make more sense here in a minute when I see the bottle. But I really enjoy, you know, using this. And I like that I can stamp them all out and then go back and do the dusting part. I don't have to like hurry up and stamp it and just do that one nail. I like that I can stamp them all out and then go back in with the glitters, the fine glitters. Here we go. Last stamp. Hollow green pixie glitter. And we're just going to tap out a little bit on each nail. I'm going to rub them in with my fingers. I have found that works best for me. You know, you might want to use a brush or a tool, a silicone tool or something, but I find this to be the easiest. Or you can apply it to a stamper and then apply it over these. Either way you want to do it, it's all good. One more. Tap, tap, tap. And these hollows, oh, I love them so much. They're so pretty. So kind of tapping it in, pushing it down with my finger. I'm just using the same finger for all of them, so I only have one finger to clean when we're done. Oh, that's so pretty. I love those sparkly greens. So green on top of green. It's a green manicure today. There we go. Last one. Alright, so I'm going to clean my finger off on my lint roller. And then I've got my little fishy brush out here. I'm going to dust all the excess off of here because I don't want that getting in with my top coat. There's one image. We're going to dust off this other one. And I'm doing this all over a paper towel, hoping that it'll be easy to clean up. Brush, brush, brush. And I've got other brushes, but I seem to always come back to this little fishy brush. I guess the resistance on it and the softness of it is one of my, it's my comfort zone for this. Of course, you will see me break out the other ones from time to time, but that's my favorite. So, alrighty, get them all dusted off, and the little, I want the stands clean too. You guys know I'm a ninny on the cleanup. I'm going to use the sealer. It's the clear sealer. It's a water-based polish from SheModern, and I'm just kind of going over the images where they're stamped and stuff. It doesn't have to be on the whole nail. And I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to top these with SheModern. Nice glossy top coat to seal them in. And we're fixing to put these on my nails, on top of my nails, with a sticky tab. There we go. We'll mush it down. And if you're going to plan on wearing them, you need to mush, 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 and hold them really good for a little bit. There we go. Here's my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.